Every January in Japan, something very strange happens. People line up outside the department stores before sunrise. When the doors open, they run. Not for discounts, not for one specific item, but for a bag, where they don't know what's inside. This is called Fukubukuro, Japan's mystery shopping tradition. Fukubukuro literally means lucky bag. Stores sell bags filled with random items, usually worth more than the price you pay. You might pay $50 and get $100 worth of products inside. But here's a catch. You don't know exactly what you are getting until you open it. That's why many foreigners find this so surprising. From an outside perspective, Fukubukuro looks a lot like gambling. You can see the contents, there are hits and misses. Some people get amazing deals, others get things they'll never use. And yet, people still line up every year. Why? Because in Japan, the experience itself matters. Fukubukuro is rarely a solo activity. People often go with friends, partners, family members. If you get something you don't want, you can trade with someone else. So even if you don't get the perfect item, the experience is still fun. It's not just shopping. It's a shared New Year event. In some places, it gets intense. Before the store opens, hundreds of people wait outside. When the doors open, they rush straight to the Fukubukuro section to grab the bag they want. Popular brands sell out in minutes. This only happens in Japan and almost only in January. Personally, I don't buy Fukubukuro. I'm more of a minimalist. I prefer to buy only what I actually want. So, the idea of random items doesn't fit my lifestyle. But I understand why people enjoy it. Sometimes Fukubukuro is genuinely a great deal. If you already like the brand, you're flexible about what you get. You enjoy surprises. You might walk away with products worth much more than what you paid. If you're lucky, it's a bargain. One important thing to know. Fukubukuro usually lasts only a few days at the start of January. If there's a bag you really want, you need to act fast. Wait too long, and it's gone. Fukubukuro isn't just about saving money. It's about luck, shared excitement, and starting the year with a bit of chaos. That mix of logic and randomness is what makes Japanese culture so interesting. Would you try Fukubukuro? Let me know in the comments.